Darjeeling's Member of Parliament Raju Bist. While launching the Bharatiya Janata Party's nationwide membership drive at Singtam in East Sikkim on Saturday, the Darjeeling MP dashed the rumours of possible alliance between the Bharatiya Janata Party and Sikkim Democratic Front. With the former Chief Minister making frequent visit to Delhi, the buzz was on the legislators of SDF joining the BJP. Bist, who won the mandate of the people from Darjeeling, affirmed on the BJP's alliance with the SKM and the Sikkim Party being part of the National Democratic Alliance. He asserted that the SKM is an ally of the NDA. Bist said he is working closely with the Sikkim Lone Lok Sabha MP Indrahang Subba to fulfill the aspirations of both Sikkim and Darjeeling Hills region. On the partnership between Bharatiya Janata Party and Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, Bist transferred the concern to the central leadership. He said, "I have come here to propagate for the membership of Bharatiya Janata Party to increase in Sikkim. The good part is SKM ministers were along with us during this program. They are also confident that whatever needs to be done for the people of Sikkim will be done in collaboration with the Bharatiya Janata Party." Shifting his focus to the Darjeeling Hills, the MP was vocal on stopping the atrocities against the people by police in the hills led by Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress.
तो दार्जिलिंग के अंदर में पुलिस की एट्रोसिटी है, ये अत्याचार है 2017 के बाद ये लगातार बढ़ रहा है और टीएमसी और कहीं न कहीं जो जीजीएम के 2 ये मिल करके इस अत्याचार को बढ़ा रहे हैं। तो ये एट्रोसिटी है। मैंने इसके बारे में पार्लियामेंट में भी ये उठाया है मुद्दा और मैं अभी इसको छोड़ूंगा, मैं इसको आगे लेके जाऊंगा।
Bist also hinted at the dissolution of Gorkha Territorial Authority. He said a tripartite dialogue will immediately begin to reach a permanent political solution in the hills. If it does not end up being tripartite, then the centre and the people of the hills must sit together and initiate the dialogue. He also assured that the party will try to discuss the issue with the state government in West Bengal to reach a permanent political solution.
अभी इसमें सबसे बड़ी अड़चन है जीटीए। तो मैं उनको ये कह रहा हूँ कि आप जीटीए को भंग कर दो, डिसॉल्व कर दो, तो हमारा ट्राइपार्टाइट डायलॉग तुरंत इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट हो सकता है टू रीच अप टू ए लेवल ऑफ परमानेंट पॉलिटिकल सॉल्यूशन। एक बात, और वो जीटीए लेके बैठते हैं। लेकिन अगर ये ट्राइपार्टाइट नहीं होता है तो मैं ये चाहूँगा कि केंद्र सरकार और जो हिल्स के लोग हैं वो आपस में बैठ करके इस डायलॉग को जल्दी चालू कर लें।
Meanwhile, on the union budget presented by the central government on Friday, Bist highlighted how the $2.7 trillion will take the nation ahead. He said those in Darjeeling must not consider same to be the budget for the Gorkha Territorial Authority, but it's a budget for the 130 crore population of the country. Meantime, he informed the registration drive of Sikkim Bharatiya Janata Party will be carried out till August 11th and must reach every nook and corner of Sikkim to all the people who have been neglected. With Deepak Guru, Gangtok Bureau.